I'm always looking on the internet to find the best chart that displays the history of Bitcoin. And everybody is asking themselves, are we still in the bear market? So that's what we're gonna find out today. So if you're curious, watch this video. Before we start in this video, I see a lot of people watching my videos but not subscribing. So if you like my videos, hit the subscribe button. So this is the first chart I want to show to you. And I found this very interesting. Why? Because I see it's reaching 3 times the green zone. And every time it reached the green zone, it was the bottom. So the first time it was in 2015 when Bitcoin was only at $208. And the next time when it reached the green zone, Bitcoin was 3K. And that was almost the bottom. I think it was almost the bottom. Let me see. Yeah, it was the bottom, 3.2K. And here it was 3.4K. But if you start buying when it is below the 50 zone and you start dollar cost average yourself into Bitcoin, then if we look at the past, it has been a good decision. And the next time when we see it was during 2022, we see it was not the bottom, but it was almost. Bitcoin was trading at 21K and it goes all the way below to 60K. But yeah, like I said, you don't buy in one time your Bitcoin. If you want to spend 10,000 on Bitcoin, you don't do it. Hey, here we go. Here you have 10,000 and I want some Bitcoin. No. Make a plan for yourself and dollar cost average yourself into Bitcoin. So do it weekly, because if you do it monthly, a lot of can change. So it's better to do it every Monday or every Sunday when you are maybe free. Just dollar cost average, and that's the key. I found another very interesting chart. Let's check out the next one. We still have bears in this market who are telling you, we go back to 14K, we go back to 12K. But I personally think we will not see it again. 16K was the bottom from my perspective. And if we look at the charts and the past of it, we also see that the bottom was in. And when we look at 3 cycles, we see in 2015, we see if you start buying when the chart was in the green area, you see you buy perfectly the bottom. And again, in 2019, when Bitcoin reached 3K, we see again, you have a perfect spot to dollar cost average Bitcoin. And also during the Black Swan event, it goes back to the green area. And if you buy at this zone Bitcoin, it was also the perfect timing before the run started. And again, from around 23K till 16K, it was again in the green area until it reached again the 23K zone. And right now we are not anymore in the green zone. So if you didn't buy any Bitcoin yet, I think personally, yeah, you are not too late, because I believe in a 4-year cycle. So I think we will reach later next year, we will reach 100K. But yeah, you should start buying earlier from my perspective, if you also believing in the 4-year cycle and if you also believe in the history of the charts. But I also don't know what's gonna happen in the future, but I only make decisions based on analytics. Something interesting I found on Twitter was how much days Bitcoin spent in each range to double. And what we see is here from 2 till 4, it was 21 days, 4 to 8 was 85 days. And if we look at the longest period, it was 32K to 65K. It already spent 586 days and it's still counting. So it is the longest bear market of Bitcoin where we're in right now. And yeah, let's see what the future brings. I have another one for you. I have another one. So stay tuned. I showed this chart before to you and it's called the Bitcoin Rainbow Price Chart. When we reach the red or orange area, we need to watch out for potentially taking some profits. And when we are in the blue area, it is time to acclimate Bitcoin. And I see people saying, oh, I bought Bitcoin and it now goes to 16K. Yeah, it can. It can happen. Who knows? But we are still at the area where nobody is talking about Bitcoin. Like when Bitcoin reached 50K, how much people are saying on every birthday party who are not even into crypto, I have profit. I just bought Shiba Inu. I bought Elon, I don't know, Elon shitcoin things. Yeah, you know what I mean. Like when everybody's talking about Bitcoin, you should pay attention and not buying anymore because it's just FOMO. And when you should buy to make the most profits is during when nobody's talking about it. So it's right now. I don't make decisions based on one chart. So when I look at this chart, I don't think, oh, I need to buy now. No, I combine different kind of charts for different kind of information. And when we look at this chart, the previous charts, it all says we are still early for the next cycle. It hasn't started yet. So it's still the right timing from what I'm doing. So again, I don't know the future, but I think we are still early before everybody's hopping into Bitcoin for the next cycle. It's always important to zoom out and not just focus on 1 month or anything else like that. Focus on data and don't make decisions based on feelings. And that's what we're doing right now. So if you like this video, I appreciate, hit the like and subscribe button, and I see you in the next one. Bye bye.